things first, you want to delete these two. Remove these two screws right here. So I'm gonna do it. This out. All the screws out. In this case, it's a little different. On GPU, it has this little thing to pop it out. So you just pop this, and you can pop the card out. That little thing right there. Press it, and you should be able to yank the card out. So let's get it out. It's out. And now you put the new graphic card in. Make sure to take all the stuff out, like take this stuff out, all the plastics out, because it might short it, so it's best to just take all the plastic out. There we go. Make sure you have enough clearance. This is pretty big. Make sure you're oriented the correct way. So this, if you can see, this is placed with this. It's a really big card. Crap. Jeez. It should be in now. A little bit in. And then you're gonna do reverse and screw everything in. Next, you get the power cable, and it's right here. The power's right there, so we have to hook it up. So get that line. So it's this one. It'll say VGA on it. Hold on, let me find it. It's supposed to say VGA right here. VGA. That's video card. And depending on your power supply, mine is the modular one, so you can change whatever one you want. So it's pretty easy. Plug it in, and that's pretty much it. You just plug it in. This way. This way. And that's it. That's it. And tuck the wires away to hide them. And there we have it. It's installed. Thanks for watching. So there's a DVI port and a display port. So connect accordingly. Look at the thing. Where is it? So this one is, I can't see, like that. So it follows that. This is in spirit, guys. Okay, shows. Just at least the power. And as you can see, there is light. And then when it powers back up, and it should flip up. It's a beauty. And we boot up. And we boot up, as you can see. So yeah, this thing's a beauty, as you can see. It has a nice like color gradient thing right there. It's pretty cool. We're doing a heaven benchmark, and the heat's ramping up, as you can see in the corner. See how hot it gets. It's not breaking 70. I guess I'll give out on the video the room temperature. Right, so